Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to bleed the cooling system on a Bmw E60 E65. We're going to do that without using any special tools, any special funnels or anything like that, just regular things. So stay with us now, guys. We'll show you how to do it because it could be a little bit complicated procedure. We have a video how to drain the system, and if you put new coolant, now we'll show you how to do it. First thing that you want to make sure that you have a charger on the battery. You need to have at least 13 volts, which means you know, probably the charger is putting about 14, which would be great. If you have an adjusting one, set it not to drop less than 13, and we'll show you now how to do it. It's very important to have that thing, because if the battery is weak, and it's gonna get weak, it's gonna take about 10-12 minutes with ignition on and pumps running, so it's gonna be a while, and it's gonna die and not finish the process. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start adding coolant. At first you don't need to do anything. Okay, it's gonna start taking it. So as I said, we have the video how to drain the system, and you keep adding until it takes it. So it started taking it slower now. You need to make sure you don't spew too much. If you do, wash it later. Especially if you have pets, don't do that in the driveway or wash it immediately, because if they drink it, you'll kill them. It's very poisonous. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit more now. And when we fill it up all the way until the top, we're going to stop and show you what else you need to do. It's gonna take some time, guys. It's not a procedure that you can do for just 2 minutes and be done. Don't fill it up and drive it. That's equivalent to pretty much getting a new engine. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like that, and we will let it take as much as it needs to. Okay, so we will probably let it stay like that for about 2-3 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 12 minutes, 11-12 minutes I think, and it stopped circulating the pump, so the procedure is ready. If it's too much, you need to take some out now. We'll show with the one that you can use for testing the antifreeze. Stay with us, we're gonna grab one quick and show you. And you still need to do a few more things before it's ready to make sure everything's good. So it'll be really convenient if you have some kind of OBD scanner to check actually the temperature, the engine temperature. Okay, so if you have too much and you can test it pretty good, you can squish some out that way. Okay, you can see they sell them for 90 cents at the parts store. So now we'll just make sure we have the right level, and after that we're going to install the cap and start the car for about we'll let it run without driving anywhere, guys. Just let it run at one spot for probably 15 to 20 minutes, and stay with us. We'll connect the scanner to show you what to look for. Make sure you don't overheat the car, because no matter the procedure is done, sometimes you might still have an air pocket. You can go ahead and disconnect the charger now. We won't need it anymore. Okay guys, so we're gonna open the hood now, and what you need to do now, we're gonna let it run. Okay, we connect it. Don't drive it anywhere, just you can move it back and forth, but don't drive it anywhere. We have the OBD scanner there. You can get a really cheap one that will do that too. Make sure the heater is on like it was. Let the car run, and we are going to keep eye on the temperature. Okay, on the coolant temperature. Make sure the car doesn't overheat. So we'll show you how we're gonna check this one out, and we're gonna let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes easy. Okay guys, so as you can see now, we're checking coolant temperature engine 69 degrees Celsius. You'll probably go around 90 Celsius, so we're just gonna keep eye on that, make sure it doesn't go over probably 97. I don't remember exactly, but usually probably that's where the fan kicks in, 94, 97, something like that. We want to make sure the thermostat opens, so we're gonna let it run. If it's hot, probably 15-20 minutes will be enough. In our case it's cold, so we can probably do 30 minutes. And you can check the radiator outlet, that's the temperature in the radiator, 42, which means that the thermostat didn't open. We'll see if we notice this one moving a little bit. Stay with us. Okay guys, so as you can see, the radiator temperature went up 56, it was like 30-40. Now coolant temperature 93, so thermostat opened just for a little bit. Okay, you can see 57, closed it after that. So everything is good. Just I recommend to cool the car off now, let it cool for a really long time, probably half a day. Check the coolant level again before we drive it, and then you can drive it, and make sure, just keep an eye, make sure you don't overheat it, because it's always a little bit tricky to bleed those things. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe guys, help us grow. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.